Guys, it's Natsu here, and I am back with more GTA 5 Online. Today, me and my friends are going to be doing a car show. Hopefully, we can get there quick enough and get it done before my camera shuts off. But, let's get started. You better hurry up. What, let me guess.
You'll know exactly what I'm talking about.
Oh, man, I like... Man.
You might not like my rims, but I don't know.
Nice.
I'm hitting stuff.
No, I want you to do me a favor. Silent. Drive me away.
He was like, drive me away.
I like how I went up the butt of his car. Sorry, music's low.
You're back. Where do you take me in there? As far as that. Here. Oh, I'll show you. I'm coming over to the garage.
Okay, slow down right here.
I'm gonna be on my side of the road. Oh, civilian. Civilian.
I'm otherwise occupied. To call back later. You heard?
Fourth time I
Hold on.
my car. Yeah, this is like my fifth. I just hit another freaking pole. Don't wreck into me, please. Thank you.
I'm otherwise.
God dang it!
I keep hitting stuff.
And I have to go. I haven't got to pay my bills yet. I need someone to drive me to my apartment.
Come here, I got you.
Sweet.
I got you.
Sorry about this, guys. I thought I would have enough money to do some stuff, but I'm gonna mark it for you.
Is this like all gonna be in the video?
Yeah, I think this is all in the video right now.
Awesome.
Well, we better hurry because I don't know how long my camera's gonna stay on.
Yeah, my T-40 keeps giving out. Alright, Redneck, do you like my car? Yeah.
But yeah, so bubblegum.
No, you hit me, bro. I didn't hit you, you hit me.
Okay, stop fighting, you two. Please don't.
You were at the side of the road and I just drove by. I was driving by. No, screw this car. I'm blowing it up. I'm calling something else in. Don't do it! Why? I can pay for it.
Just follow me, guys.
Oh my gosh.
Just follow me. I'm in. There's one near the place we're going at.
Yeah.
Airport.
Where I'm at. Everybody mark EGC silent.
Rainbow just going to get his vehicle because we got to pay it. We're already on 3 minutes and we haven't even started anything. Kind of not funny for me.
I don't have enough money to put on the fancy horn.
You don't need a fancy horn.
Oh.
You're just gonna be telling me about you.
I have $50,000 horn.
Okay, can we stop? You guys all gotta talk at once because you can't talk all at once. You have to talk at one at a time.
Oh god, it's raining. It's starting to rain.
Never break it down. Break it down, so break it back.
Rainbow, it's starting to rain.
I know. Keep going.
Right here. Everybody just talk to
Do what?
I'm the one making the video, so I get dibs on everything.
Watch out. Oh yeah. I have arms.
Right here. Stop. Thank you. I might need you for a
Why does it
second.
have to be for me?
can I shut my doors, please? Because I don't want my lit.
I don't care. I just opened my doors because it was funny. For the other videos.
No, then trust me.
No, I don't want my car being wet inside. This is the plastic.
There's a scrape on my door.
Your mic's cut now.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, that's happened to me, so I had to take mine back in my garage. The good thing is my garage. Oh, dude. Right now would be the perfect time to have my Futo out. Did you say you wanted me to park here? Hey, did you say you wanted me to park here?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, whose Turismo's right there?
I have a Turismo out and everything. If it's a black Turismo, it's mine.
Yeah, that's yours. Oh, no, I'm gonna fix this again. Redneck, come over here and park next to me. Just a sec. Oh, God.
You guys, hope you guys are ready before I get there.
I'm ready.
Rainbow, you know, it's gonna be a while because my car's kind of slow.
Dude, I'm driving the slowest car I have right now, so you're good.
Oh, come on,
I have to go back to Redneck, just crashed into my car head on.
Really?
I just wrecked into a freaking light pole, and now my headlights are out. I'm like tomato.
If I was you, I'd stop the video.
I'm about to.
I'm gonna get a new car.
Okay, you know what? This is what I say. You guys get whatever car you want right now. You have limited time before I get there.
You have a minute and a half to get here, so get
What about me?
right now.
Here,
What about
Brian,
me?
if
Like,
you gotta
I have to go.
I know your car is slow,
Hey,
so you get to go. Go ahead and go take your time getting there.
EGC, do you have
Thank
a
you.
EGC? Do you have a marksman rifle?
Yeah.
Okay, come
I
over
got
here, stand on the car,
$226
and
in my pocket.
with your marksman rifle, look at the back of my car, and that's like a perfect picture. If you take your marksman rifle and look at the back of my car, that's like a perfect picture. Is that a perfect picture? If you took your marksman rifle.
Find me on.
I saw bubbles. I saw
Can you
bubbles.
go see your car? On there, okay.
I'm gonna put everyone in the I use my car, is that money?
So,
Like, oh, that's very cool.
but they, like, I'm gonna add you as a friend. Because your name is Bubblegum to me now. So every time I meet you, it's like, what's up, Bubblegum?
Okay, I'm coming. You guys ready?
Don't make me do it.
You shoot me, and I'll bring hell on you.
Okay, we got here, Brian's here, Redneck's pulling up, and so yeah, I think everybody's here.
What's up, Bubbles? Bubbles is okay.
Here, Bubbles, you can never start the car, she looks like Bubbles.
Bubbles, you have time. You can catch
Oh,
up
yeah.
to me quickly. Because
Flashy bubbles. Flashy got that bubble.
you're pulling up right behind me, so
No,
don't worry about it.
no. Keep my doors closed. Keep my doors closed.
Oh,
It's
flat
not
on too.
flashy Bubbles, it's either flashy green, it's just Bubbles, it's not flashy Bubbles.
I kind of like this car, dude.
Okay, you guys, everybody has to be quiet for a little bit. It's gonna be a lot of. You guys ready? Really?
Yep.
I see you over there. Hey, Bubbles, what's up?
Everybody stand on top of your car.
No, I'm standing right next to my car.
I'm sitting in my...
I'm gonna park right next to my favorite car. I'm gonna park right next to it.
I'm not getting my food wet, so you guys...
Ringo, how do you have two cars out at once? Because your Turismo is right down there, too.
I'm not getting my toes wet.
Oh, hey guys, look at my car over here.
Plastic bubbles.
Look at that shit. Yee, motherfuckers. Look at my Turismo. I like how my Turismo's sitting over here, sitting pretty, and it's just like a nice ass muscle car. Okay, guys, look, I'm gonna park right next to my favorite vehicle.
Look at me. Oh, yeah.
Okay, ready, guys? Let's start.
Your car looks like Batman.
Okay, Bubbles, tell me about your car.
Hey, who parked right here? Oh.
I did. Tell me about your car.
Rainbow. We're supposed to do every other car.
I chose it.
It's Bubbles tank.
I chose
Oh
that.
my god, son.
Shut up. It's Bubbles tank.
Come on, tell me.
Well, my car is an LG Audi. Stop wiping your arse and Bubbles face.
Come on, just talk before I shoot you.
An LG Audi. I called her Bubbles because technically used the right pronunciation. Bubblegum. And I got this for free on the website, so I said, why not? Free car, happy day. I got this to start my GTA career, and I've been driving it ever since.
Gay. Okay,
Hey,
next.
Rainbow,
Next
put
guy.
the car in there. I got you.
Next. Tell me about your car.
Well, really, this car kind of fits with my personality. I like old type cars like this. The four-door, that's good. Pokemon, yes, I watch it every morning. The rims.
Foxtrot, go to your
my favorite
vehicle.
stuff so far.
Oh, I'm not gonna show you your vehicle. Go to your vehicle before I not show your vehicle. Okay, guys, this is my car here. This is my Auburny. Yeah, it's got my license plate right there. But yeah, this is my car.
It's black.
But the only reason I chose this car because it's muscle and I'm a muscle fan. So yeah, I'm not really in the car show. I'm just parking at random places because I'm just parking it. Now, Silence, your turn.
Okay, this is the Z-Type. Fully upgraded. I like the curves because that's how I win. So, I bring this, I pick up all the papers and shit because who wouldn't like to ride in the Z-Type? Fast, clean, slick as hell.
Okay, next.
This is my drag. What?
I'm just looking at his car real quick.
Oh,
Go.
okay. This is my drag racing car.
I don't want a sandwich.
Rainbow. You're the one that inspired me to get this car, and I use it for drag racing and a bunch of other stuff. And this is just like one of my favorite cars, and it's got nitrous in it.
Well, guys, we'll show you why his car.
And it's really fun to drive.
I'll show you guys before this video ends. I'll show you guys why he likes his car so much with my vehicle. Now it's your turn, sir.
This is the Osiris. It is fully upgraded. It has 4 tires. This is probably my favorite car in all that game. Probably my favorite car in my garage too. It's pretty fast. Oh, I like the interior.
All right. But yeah, guys, these are all my friends. So.
It has bulletproof tires and all that. Fishy left. I mean, plastic.
Okay, well, we got him. So, guys, Foxtrot, come on with me. We're gonna show the viewers why you're so inspired by that car. Or can I call it in? Hold on, let me see if I can call it in.
And let me close my door.
We're going to do drag racing right here, Rainbow?
I'm on the way.
Okay, I need someone with the fast car.
I got one. I'm the Osiris.
I know you're
He's
this.
the Osiris, bro. He's gonna win every single race.
He's not allowed. He's not allowed to race in the Osiris.
Okay.
Alright, let me get out.
Okay, just follow. Go to this place. Go to this place.
Okay.
Foxtrot, follow me. Oh no, stay here.
Why can't you just ride with me? Because I won't be able to keep up with you.
Here's my cruise at home.
I'll go slow.
No, I need you to go fast, like super fast.
Okay.
Everybody stay
Matthew,
there.
look at me on the map.
I already know how fast the Osiris is because I had the Osiris before.
This thing has no brakes. I had 2G20 too.
The Osiris has bad brakes. Like, the stock brakes are bad.
I like the Osiris that didn't